Alright, assalamualaikum everyone. Welcome back to the ICP update today. So ICP is still slowly slipping down, and we have a price of $12 at the moment. So I don't really think this is a discount. Be very, very careful. That's not a discount. Discounts don't look like this, okay? Discounts look like push, right? That this is a discount. A move like this may be a discount, and it could even be better to enter ICP if you do get a discount like that one. But at the moment, this is not a discount. This is the start of probably a correction, I may say, a visit down to maybe 55 EMAs. And I would actually like to see if we may see a move down here to $8.3, $8.5 and retest this 55 EMA. And if you really retested 55 EMA and you try to hold the 55 EMA, that will be very, 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 very good for ICP to continue to move even higher. I think that would be really healthy, by the way, that you do have a move like this, down, move up, come down, move up, just going away from, just go slowly, right? I'm not in a hurry, but just hit the right notes. That's what I'm trying to say. Now, I saw on Twitter, Bitcoin on Kraken exchange. If you know Kraken, it's an exchange like Binance, a centralized exchange. On the future side of USDT paired with Bitcoin, I saw Bitcoin probably popping below $30,000 and probably went to $27,000. So that's I'm just giving you a heads up, because we're getting a hint from an exchange that things started popping down and they went to $27,000. And halving is maybe 2 months away, I think, or 3 months away. And Bitcoin doesn't really pump pre-halving, right? Before halving, Bitcoin doesn't really go all the way to the upside. Halving is gonna happen first, and if you don't know what halving is, it's almost Bitcoin getting halved. So hence the name halving, and it's almost like reducing the supply. When you reduce supply, demand increases, which pushes the prices further high. So it's almost like a burning thing, but yeah, just dividing the prices of Bitcoin in half. Now, at the moment, I want to show you one thing on the 1 hour time frame. Before that one, we start with the 4 hours. So you have finally closed below the 55 EMA. On the 4 hour time frame, you're about to make a bear cross. So that's one big hint. ICP is about to actually drop. That's number one. Okay, on the 4 hour time frame, you have a negative statement right there. On the 1 hour time frame, you probably are having almost like a distribution, head and shoulders or stuff like that. So I do see a break here, right? A little bit of a break that happened right over there, and you have a technical target for ICP to drop from there to there, and this is going to be all the way down to $10.7, at least for now. And you do have a very small earning opportunity with 10%, 11%. Long term, pretty good. Short term, maybe blood because it already pumped, as we spoke before. And that's it for this video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.